everybody, welcome to The Sound Effect. I'm Scott.
And I'm Jerry, and you'd better get going. This week we've got a spot check for you at 10 Depot. We're flashing back to the 60s. We've got tech tips, and as always, our weekly rundown. So let's get it started with Scott at 10 Depot.
Hey everybody, welcome to 10 Depot. Let's go inside and take a look. 10 Depot has a great bar with private booth seating. They also have a great selection of beer on tap. If you're looking for more than beer, check out their menu with a great variety of food. 10 Depot not only has live music weekly, but hosts an open mic night the first Tuesday of every month. With great food and live music, it's hard not to enjoy 10 Depot, so come on down and check it out.
Thanks, Scott. If you'd like to know more about 10 Depot Street, you can check them out at www.10depotstreet.com. Now, let's catch up with the EOU Chamber Choir's flashback to the 60s.
Hey everybody, welcome to Eastern Oregon. Let's see what Peter and his chamber choir have going on.
I can't help myself. So tenderly, all of let's sing baby. Ooh, baby, baby.
Groovy, man. And now it's time for tech tips.
Hey, welcome to Tech Tips. I'm Scott and I'm going to show you guys how to restring an acoustic guitar. When restringing an acoustic guitar, it's nice to have a couple things: a string winder, some wire clippers, and then of course, guitar strings. The first thing you want to do when restringing your acoustic guitar is loosen up the string you're going to be restringing. The next thing you're going to want to do is take your string winder and pull out the bridge pin. Take your new string and put it in the old hole with the bridge pin. Make sure when winding your string around that the string that's loose goes over top of the other string that you're winding. And now you've got yourself a restrung acoustic guitar. Thanks for watching Tech Tips.
Alright, now I can finally restring that guitar that's sitting in my closet. Now it's time for the weekly rundown.
First up, on Thursday, we got live at 10 Depot Street, a marimba band.
Friday and Saturday is the Eastern Oregon Chamber Choir's flashback to the 60s.
Also on Friday night, we got jam night out at LG Brewskis in Union.
On Saturday, check out Blue Plate Special playing live at the Ale House.
And make sure not to forget about the open mic night on Tuesday at 10 Depot Street.
And as always, you can find out more about these and other events at the community events calendar at legrandlife.com. Thanks for watching.